Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to change currency in Notion. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm using the simple budget template right here. So if you want to get this, all you have to do is go to templates and then you have to select life right here. And then what you're going to do is scroll down till you see this simple budget and then click this get template and you will see this. So you can edit this. Now, in order for you to change currency, all you have to do is to click the property, for example, amount, edit property. And then here you can see this number format. All you have to do is to click this and you will see the currency here that you want to change. So if you want to change this to Singapore dollar, then you will see here the result. If you want to change this to Canadian, to Euro, to won, and so on. So all you have to do is to click the property, click the number format, and then change the currency. And that's how easy it is to change currency here in Notion. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!